Mr. Larry Burford, if he will come on up here. This is something for me personally that I've been trying to do for about a dozen years, and those of you that were at our meeting last night know about this. And for me, this is quite an honor to be able to give him this award. And I want you to hold that, but I want to tell a little bit about it. If you want to step up here, and so make sure they can get a good picture of it. Larry is one of these people that's like one of the best botanists, seriously, I've ever met. To give you an idea of the kind of botanist he is, he uses all of the scientific nomenclature on him all the time we're talking. And me as an interpreter working with the public, I can't do that. You know, if you tell somebody, you know, you got, this is Quercus, you're going to lose them. You got to, no, people don't speak Latin today. So dealing with the public, you cannot do that or you'll lose all your people. But Larry is a self-trained botanist. To give you an idea of how good he is at it, he has so many varieties of trees and species planted on his property. And he's got one Quercus maximus, which is a burrow. We switched roles here for once. So he had a group of people from Japan that came over here, and they were on different kinds of field trips in botany. They drove way, way out of their way to come all the way down near the Louisiana Arkansas border to come to this man's place to see these varieties of native plants that he's got. And he's a smart guy, and he's a doer like all the ones we have on our board and work with. And it's taken a long time to get him up here. And so I'm really honored to have Carol and his son Daniel up here with us too. And so he has earned this plaque by going above and beyond what is normal to do this. And we would not be here today if I had not met this guy, literally, because he's the one that took the time to work with me and show me things. And I drove down there. I still remember Carol getting on that tractor and him with us, going down a place most people would say, no, I'm not going to go there. But they did it, and so we've got those genetics growing today, and that was one of our better trees we've tested too. And so on behalf of myself and those are Chinquapin Foundation, I want to congratulate you for your award. Thank you very much. That took long enough. We wouldn't need to go through this many years again though, did it? Thank you so much though. Appreciate it.